scrolling your life away? It's time to learn how to fix your attention span and turn your phone from a trap into a tool. Meet Sam. We are in the year 2026, and between endless AI tools doing the critical thinking for him and endless social feeds hacking his dopamine receptors, his attention span is completely cooked. He is suffering from severe AI-induced brain fog. He isn't just losing sleep, he's losing the absolute best years of his life to a 6-inch screen. If you click away from this video right now, you will lose the only proven blueprint to reclaim your mind, staying permanently trapped in the algorithmic void. But if you stay, I will show you Sam's exact system to break free, reclaim your focus, and get your life back. If you want to know how to digital detox and turn your phone back into a simple tool rather than a digital master, watch closely. This is Sam's exact blueprint to reclaim his mind, his focus, and his freedom. Sam just lost an hour and a half to the algorithmic void. That is 90 minutes of his life he will never get back, traded for cheap, fleeting dopamine hits. Frustrated and disgusted with himself, he tries setting a strict 15-minute app limit in his settings, convinced that today will be different.
Let's bust a massive societal myth right now. Society tells you that if you can't stop scrolling, you are lazy and lack discipline. That is a biological lie. The average person unlocks their phone over 150 times a day. 80% check it within 15 minutes of waking up. Your phone isn't a communication device anymore. It is an optimized pocket slot machine. But right as Sam attempts to regain control with software blockers, disaster strikes. His phone's operating system forces an automatic background update, instantly wiping out every single screen time block he just configured. The algorithm ruthlessly fights back, flooding his screen with 47 backlog notifications in a matter of seconds. His automated system violently fails. He realizes he can't rely on software to fight software. He is completely exposed and trapped. As Stanford neuroscientist Dr. Anna Lemke explains, tech companies use variable ratio schedules, the same psychological mechanism used in casinos, to trigger massive, unpredictable dopamine spikes. This fundamentally alters your brain's reward pathways, creating a baseline deficit. Whether you are a college student trying to study or a remote worker trying to engage in deep work, you aren't fighting a bad habit. You are fighting billion-dollar AI algorithms meticulously designed by engineers to hijack your neurochemistry. Relying on sheer willpower is like bringing a plastic water pistol to a raging forest fire.
Sam knows he needs a structured, scientific escape plan. He is desperately searching for how to do digital detox effectively in a world that demands constant connectivity. If willpower is officially dead, what is the secret mechanism to break free? Sam discovers a radically counterintuitive method that requires absolute zero willpower. But as the severe psychological withdrawal kicks in, will his fragile attention span actually survive the agonizing first 48 hours? Sam begins his grueling 30-day challenge. He replaces the myth of willpower with the science of environmental friction. What is a digital detox and how to do it? It isn't about throwing your phone in the ocean, it's fundamentally about environmental design. By keeping the charger out of his bedroom, Sam physically prevents the morning scroll loop. Dopamine detox for beginners? Where to start? You start by fixing the biological foundation. You replace artificial morning screens with 15 minutes of direct, natural sunlight to trigger morning cortisol naturally and reset your circadian rhythm. Ways to limit screen time naturally? Sam downloads OneSec, an ingenious friction app that forces a mandatory deep breathing delay before opening any social media. How to disconnect from phone triggers? Sam dives into his accessibility settings and toggles his screen entirely to grayscale. By stripping away the hyper-saturated colors, he kills the visual dopamine triggers that marketers use to keep eyes glued to the screen.
If you're going to turn your screen grayscale today to join Sam, hit the subscribe button right now to lock in that digital commitment. Sam is winning the early battles. The environmental friction is working perfectly. But the algorithm is patient, and it isn't done with him yet. It is day 14, and urgent work email notification bypasses his filters on a quiet Saturday afternoon. Sam's cortisol and stress levels spike violently. His thumb hovers dangerously over the settings button, ready to disable his app blockers. He just wants to numb his sudden, overwhelming stress with endless, mindless scrolling. He is exactly 1 millimeter away from a full relapse, about to ruin 2 grueling weeks of intense neurochemical progress. Will his new friction system hold up under the crushing weight of modern corporate pressure? In those mandatory 10 seconds of unskippable friction, Sam's rational prefrontal cortex finally has the time to catch up to his primal lizard brain. He realizes he isn't actually seeking social connection or information. He is just desperately trying to self-medicate his anxiety. Sam takes a deep physical breath and puts the phone face down on the table. He opens his laptop, handles the work emergency directly and professionally, and firmly shuts the lid. He has taken back control. How to unplug from work? Sam embraces the viral 2026 analog weekend trend, a cultural rebellion against 24/7 connectivity.
He then sits down and reads a physical paperback book, creating a hard, tactile physical barrier between his work life and his recovery time. Sam stares at his open paperback book. He realizes, with profound clarity, that his shattered attention span is fully restored. He can sit in silence and read for an entire hour without looking away, without twitching, and without compulsively reaching for his phone. How long should a digital detox last? Sam just proved through direct experience that 30 days is the magic number required to completely downregulate your dopamine receptors and rewire your brain's baseline focus levels. Let's summarize exactly how to do digital detox so you can start right now. 1. Grayscale your screen. 2. Store your phone charger in the kitchen. 3. Get 15 minutes of morning sunlight immediately upon waking. 4. Use an analog alarm clock. 5. Install OneSec to add friction. 6. Commit relentlessly for 30 days. If you are starting this 30-day challenge, comment below. What day are you on right now? Keep each other highly accountable in the comments section. To get the exact tools Sam used to rebuild his focus, make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comment below.
Sam found the absolute best framework for how to digital detox, and you can too. You are no longer a passive consumer. You are now part of the elite 1%, actively taking their brain back from manipulative AI algorithms. Tell me in the comments below, what incredible things will you do with the 3 extra hours of life you get back every single day? Will you learn a skill, build a business, or finally reconnect with your family? If this definitive guide on how to digital detox helped you see the truth, smash the like button to feed the right algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and share this video right now with one specific friend who desperately needs to unplug. Sam survived the rigorous 30 days. But what happens when the challenge is over and the real world comes crashing back in? Click the video on your screen right now to learn the new rules of digital minimalism. Stay sharp, stay human, and stay focused. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to start your own transformation.